Looking for quick and easy dessert recipes? Today we're diving into the world of no-bake desserts, revealing 5 top picks that anyone can whip up at home. Perfect for those sweet tooth moments, minus the baking hassle. Stay tuned to discover some delightful no-bake desserts that will leave your taste buds craving for more. First up, we have the all-time favorite, Oreo cheesecake. A decadent blend of crushed Oreos, cream cheese, and whipped cream, it's a breeze to whip up. Perfect for celebrations or a simple treat, it's a crowd pleaser. This creamy and delicious dessert will surely win over any dessert lover's heart. Next, we have the rich and decadent chocolate mousse. This luxurious dessert uses simple ingredients: high-quality chocolate, whipped cream, and eggs. The result? A velvety texture and intense chocolate flavor. This dessert is perfect for chocolate lovers and will make any day feel like a special occasion. Third on our list is the indulgent peanut butter pie. A simple blend of cream cheese, peanut butter, sugar, and whipped cream. This no-bake delight boasts a rich, creamy texture with a nutty punch. This dessert is a must-try for peanut butter enthusiasts and will leave everyone asking for seconds. Fourth, we present the refreshing lemon tart. This vibrant dessert combines tart lemons, sweet sugar, and a buttery crust. Simply combine, chill, and serve. The tangy sweet flavor balance is simply irresistible. This dessert is perfect for those who enjoy a bit of tartness in their sweet treats. Last but not least, we have the delightful raspberry cheesecake bars. A symphony of flavors, these bars combine a crunchy crust, creamy cheesecake filling, and tangy raspberry topping. The process is simple: mix, layer, chill, and voila. This dessert will surely make a lasting impression on anyone who tries it. So there you have it, our top 5 no-bake desserts for quick sweet treats. We've journeyed through the rich and creamy world of Oreo cheesecake, delved into the decadent realm of chocolate mousse, savored the sweet and salty combo of peanut butter pie, refreshed our palate with a tangy lemon tart, and ended on a high note with the vibrant raspberry cheesecake bars. We invite you to bring these delightful desserts to life in your own kitchen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy no baking!